Minonoka, how have you fared with that blasphemia?
Quite well, Sir Boxalot. Thank you for asking. You?
Not as well, I'm sad to say.
Oh, what has happened?
I talked to your friends the mice, and they gave me a mission.
A mission?
To sit with you and talk of a peace treaty.
Now, whose side are you on? I'm a bit confused.
I don't have a side.
Are you sitting on the fence then? Can't pick?
I'm always loyal to you.
And why is that? What makes me so trustworthy?
You're too big. Actually, to be honest, you guys have the best innings in the realm. And if I'm on your side, I get free tunic.